The last time we took the Hearst Castle Evening Tour was 13 years ago in 2012. What has changed since then? Let's take a look. Well, the statues did not move. And the Neptune pool looked the same. Also unchanged was one of the cottages. We went into Casa del Sol, House of the Sun. On the first floor of Casa Grande, the assembly room had 2 Christmas trees at either end, just like before. However, on our prior visit during the holiday season, we saw docents dressed up in 1930s attire. On this visit, no one was seated here. The adjoining refectory dining room also decorated for the holidays. Passing through the kitchen on our way to the billiard room. When we were last in the billiard room, the docents were actually playing. Tour ends at the Roman pool, always vibrant at night.